Hi guys, today in this video we will show you how to do test cut of any media on SkyCut. So let's say you are getting any new kind of material, let's say in heat transfer we have lots of kind of material like PU, PVC, reflective, metallic, holographic, chameleon, flock, glitter, high density and etc. So every material has different thickness and different kind of force and pressure it needs. So how to be verify like we are cutting with the proper pressure and all, so that we will show, and how to feed the material inside the SkyCut plotter, that we will show in this video. So as you can see, there are four what we should say, there are four tires we can say here, which will hold the vinyl and make it move forward and backward. So if I will take you near, you can see there are these zigzag places here, 1 2, then this 3, this 4 and this 5. So only these 5 places we have where we can place these tires. So the minimum thickness of material that we can put in the SkyCut is between these two zigzag paths. So you can see even this 4 inch of material also we can put, because one zigzag is here. We can move this tire to here. I will show you how we need to move. So if you check in back side, we have we can move it up and then move it here and there. Yeah, you can see we can move it. Yeah, so we can move it from one zigzag path to another, from here, anywhere, based on the width of the material we are inserting in the fabric. Yeah, so right now it's on the wrong place. We cannot put the tire on here. We need to put either on this zigzag path or this zigzag path, otherwise it will not take forward and backward the material. Okay, so this is the one thing, like we need to just move it up and then move here and there. So take it back here, and then we will show you how it will lock the vinyl. So yeah, now we need to insert the vinyl from the back. I will show you from the here. Yeah, so you can see we can put the vinyl till this line, that's fine. I will show you how to do test cut and all. And now there is a big push here that we can move it up and it will lock all the tires. So now these all tires are locked. Vinyl will not move here and there. We can move the vinyl from plotter itself. So you can see if I'm putting, it is coming forward and then it's going backward, like that we can move. And now I will show you how we need to do test cut and all. So we have placed the blade here. This is 45-degree blade, which will enough to cut this 80 micrometer thickness material. And we can place the this blade anywhere on the plotter. This is in our hand, so I will move it in the leftmost. Okay, now we need to first set the setting. So speed and force we need to put like based on the material. So if I will go here, I can see speed is 4 right now and force is 13. So based on the thickness of the material, we need to check like how much force it should be. So if you don't know, just put the normal force till the time, and speed can be minimum if you don't know what it should be. So speed doesn't matter in starting, in the landing phase. So in the force 13 it should cut, and we have a test button here. You can see it's written test. Yeah, so this is the test button. If I will put the test, what SkyCut will do, it will do some test cut on the material. So at the leftmost side we can do a test cut, and I can show you. So this is the cut you can see here, and I can see like the cut is not proper. Cut is not proper, so it means the pressure should increase more from the, I can see if I will fetch it, it will come out properly, but it's not good enough. So we can make more pressure here. So before that it was 13, I can make it 15 or something, and then I will again do the test cut. I think 13 was enough, but still we can do the test cut and check how it would be on 15. So I will again do a test cut on the material. So you can always do test cut on the corners. So anyways, corners we don't use much, So we can do the test cut on the corners, and we can check how weeding is good or not. So I will check here where is the test cut. Okay, it's here, and I can see it is removing now very properly, right? So only media is cut, not the black plastic. Black plastic is as it is at the same place. So in heat transfer vinyl, for doing half cutting, we need to just cut the material, not the back plastic. So it's fine. So for this vinyl, it has been tested like, okay, force 15 is good enough. Okay, so this is how we need to do the test cut for all kind of material. So let's say tomorrow you will get some other material which is much thicker than this is just 80 micrometer, and if we get 300 micrometer vinyl or 600 micrometer vinyl, that is high density material and all. So instead of wasting the material and testing throughout the process, we need to do this first, the test cut that is given by SkyCut by default. So we can put the blade holder anywhere randomly. So let's say I'm putting it here or anywhere in the corner side, and then just do the test cut. We can move it in the leftmost. So anyways, the corners does not cut properly. Cut properly in the sense it's already wasted, right? In the heat transfer vinyl, it goes waste. So we can do the test cut on the corner side, and we can get to know like whether this pressure or force is good enough to cut this material or not. So like that, we should always do the test cut, and just to get like how good the material and all. So now we are good enough, like force 15 is very good for this material, and we can run our entire job without any problem.